Gladon kumbahnya pungut ki kena ke belasapun ku Burom haga National People's Youth Front Shillong City ki balongan Shakhmat ke eksamen SSLC bad HSSLC. Bad ini kena lapun ku Burom dak menteri ketenat kakot kakya Dr. Amperin Lindok kum kakongsan rengkat ke jingidon lang working president ke NPP uba Hamlet Son Doling unong ai kitien keseng NPP uba HM Shangkliang kidong yalam ke NPYF Shillong City bad kiwe-kiwe. Ka Jingpule jong ke NPYF ban ku Burom gi kena pule kalau man seluruh susu eki baginai beteng ban treshitom bat ban minot ke Jingpule jongki bat bagen la ban penurlong ya ke jingang not ke kidon ha ke jingim jongki. Di Dr. Amperin Lindok ila aku blay ni kena pule ke balawan Shakhmat ke Jingpule dan ba ke jing treshitom jongki. Bat ila aku blay ru ya ke NPYF ke bala penlong ya ke program ai jing itu ini ke Samla pule kanang banang ai mensiem susu yaki.
I would like to quote APJ Abdul Kalam's quote that dreams are not that dreams that you sleep and you dream. Dreams are those dreams which makes you awake. So thrive. Put your dedication, and I'm very sure you're going to excel once you know the step to perform. Challenges, I'm very sure is going to come. I'm very sure every step, whatever previously also when you were doing your board exams, you might have gone through a lot, I'm very sure. But see, your consistency, your hard work, your passion, your dedication is what you have made it through.
Kadon ba kajingkermen habi namar mi sutu shai baki Samla habi temui rogam pidang la bale mar pidang don ya kan sim pidang don ya ka jengkut jengmut ka jongpi pidang don ka jengnu jongpi pidang don ka stretchtom jongpi pidang don ru ya ka sim ban sacrifice ban ie ki ba khoi ban im ya ta ka thong ka jongpi ikwa ha ka dor mar kom bolong manta abangi pet kapo ka stir ka jongi pakhat ki bapas ayas la slampa dan shoot pa IS po ka kin sala jongi last bari ka slam arja khat lai bangyo IS bari next state ka jongi kata ka berkeli ban bu ka jikli pi hang ni re piron ka ni ki Samla hatu ka longmo bara ka sala jongi kinam dar ki IS kinam dar ki IFS ki IRS ki bah ka we jasgi pi pin salong ki ban shong ti postgrad ban thau ki policies ki ba per nam ta ka state ka jongi
95% marks on a board examination may not be as fulfilling as a 95% joy of life in our future lives. Have the joy of life, and today it is that joy which is the most disturbing and the most painful. I would like to quote the Bible, Zechariah 7:9. The Lord of heavenly forces proclaims, make just and faithful decisions, show kindness and compassion to each other. Every biblical or religious document professes something which is not just an evaluation of knowledge. And today, I join hands with the leader of our government, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, supported by both the Deputy Chief Ministers of Ba Preston and Ba Snaulang Ba, to express the government's sincerest appreciation of all of your performances. 91% pass percentage is a percentage which 2 decades ago could never seem achievable. But this government, in the leadership of the MDA both 1 and 2, has testified to the people of the state of Meghalaya that we are leaving no stone unturned to appreciate, to provide, to upgrade, and to send one message home. If you are willing to take up the challenges of your life, your government is listening and taking productive interventions to better your life.
I've been riding on the one-way train.